Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salsa with tomatillos. First, select about 1 pound of fresh tomatillos, ensuring they are firm and have their husks on. You will also need 1 or 2 serrano or jalapeno chilies, a small piece of white onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Have your roasting pan ready and your blender nearby for a smooth and easy preparation process. Begin by removing the papery husks from your tomatillos and rinsing them well. Place the tomatillos, along with your chilies, 1/4 of an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic on a baking sheet. Roast them under a broiler or in a hot pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally. Look for them to soften and develop a nice char, which brings out their natural sweetness and a wonderful smoky depth. Once your roasted ingredients have cooled slightly, carefully transfer them into your blender. You might want to add about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth to help achieve the right consistency. Blend everything together until it reaches your desired texture. Some prefer a perfectly smooth salsa, while others enjoy a slightly chunky mouthfeel. Blend for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your preference. Now for the final, crucial step, seasoning. Add salt to your blended salsa, starting with about 1/2 teaspoon, and taste as you go until it's just right. For the best flavor, let your salsa rest for at least 15 minutes or even longer in the refrigerator, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld. Serve your homemade tomatillo salsa with crispy tortilla chips, alongside your favorite tacos or with grilled meats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.